Welcome back, Unicraftrs. Today we'll be making stickers. So, if you like stickers, comment down below and maybe like in the emojis say like your favorite food or your favorite animal, and maybe maybe you could try and make a sticker out of that. So let's get right to it. So the things you will need are scissors, clear tape. I have it in this packaging tape. You probably should have it laying around your house. Parchment paper, and print it out of what like sticker you want. So I'm doing, I don't know if you recognize this, the Unicraftrs logo, the logo for my channel. And I have tried making one. It did not go as well. I mean, like it sticks, but like there's an opening. Like I have to work on it, and you can see the difference, the size. So these ones are smaller, so they're going to be a lot easier. And I'm making them because they're going to just be really fun. I can put it on my computer. I can put it on my folders, pencil case, anything. Water bottle. I kind of don't have any room on my water bottle because I have a lot of stickers on it. But still, I can put it on tons of things. So, you're going to, if you can't tell, I printed out my pictures. You have to print out your pictures first. And I recommend doing them kind of small because making them big, you've seen, does not work that well. So, like, making them small. And you can, like, make your own, too. Like, you don't have to do one. Like, I practically made this. We just made it better. But, yeah, so as soon as you print it, which you could pause it and then go print it. I already printed mine. So, after you print it, you have some tape on here. There we go. You're going to cut them out. So, I'm going to cut out one. And I recommend cutting a few because I did it wrong a couple times. So, I recommend doing a couple. Like, see how I have so many? It would just make it a lot easier. Like, so, like, if you mess up, you're like, you don't have to go print a ton more. And it makes it a pretty good size, too. So, let me cut. And you don't want it to be too close to the edges, even if you think you need more. If you want it to be pretty far, because you're going to have to cut more of the edges, kind of. So, now I will take these spots, put them there. Okay, here's it. Now, I cut it out. So now, what you're going to do is, I'm going to take some parchment paper, nothing on it, and I made it so it fits. You want it to be bigger. You're going to take your parchment paper, and I have some of the tape cut out already. I'm going to cut pieces so the whole parchment paper is covered with tape. Cut a piece, and I can always cut off the excess after. But right now, I smooth out. Can get bumpy. And now I'll get this. And you want them, like if you do two pieces, like I just did, you want them to be touching. Or else when you peel it, it won't totally work. That almost happened. So, do that. Now I'm going to cut off all the excess tape. And you want this to be a little big first because you're going to need all the extra ones. And also when you're cutting off the tape, you don't have to worry about, oh my god, I cut like the edges, now it's not going to fit. Like, you want it to be pretty big for it. Okay. So after you've done that, see, all covered in shiny tape, and you have your thing, you're now going to cover this in tape. So I have another piece, and I'm going to cut them and cover them. This might just fit in one. It like just fits barely. Now I will cut off all the extra tape. See how you cut off? Oh wait, no, do not cut off the extra tape. Now you are going to put it on your thing, and you don't want to cut off the extra tape. I accidentally did that because otherwise it's not going to stick on. And also go on the sides a little bit, just so this way it works fully. So let me put it on the sides. So this way it does not come off. That's kind of what I'm saying. Once you do the sides. Put it on the sides. Now you cut this extra tape off. And you don't want to cut the extra parchment paper. Now you can cut a little bit, like, see I cut the edges a little, just because that's easiest. But you do not want to, like, totally cut all of it off. So, because otherwise, it's not going to be a sticker. It's not going to stick. So it's going to be a it will, like, come right off the thing, and it won't stick. So, as soon as you finish that, and you put everything on, see it still comes off pretty easily. You want to, like, push it all over the place, like on the edges, so it just stays well. That, nice and on. And then you're going to take the side. You see how this part's kind of off? Makes it easier to take the parchment paper. You can take the parchment paper, peel it. Now, a sticker! So, yeah. And you can make as many as you want. It's super easy to do. And you can put them on so many things. Like, you can wear like a little badge. So, yeah. And, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And like. So, see you next time. Bye, Unicraftrs. Oh, and in the link down below, in the description box, we will have the link to the logo. So if you want to print these out, you can have Unicraftr ones and show everyone you are a member of Unicraftrs. So bye, see you next time, Unicraftrs.